Hello, welcome to All in a Game. I'm Nupur.
Hi, I'm Pradyut.
And I'm Ramya.
Alright, so we have Pradyut and Ramya for today's quiz with us. Are you guys ready for the quiz today?
Yes, we
Yes.
are.
Alright, okay. So in today's quiz, I'll be giving you guys English proverbs. The first half will be told by me. You guys have to complete the second half. That's it. But in this one, you guys don't have to blurt out the answers directly because there might be a few words. I'd want you to clap in case you know the answer and then give me the answer. Okay. Slight variations in the answers like becomes an or the like that. I'll allow that. But if it's too different, it goes wrong. The twist in this quiz is if you give a wrong answer because you're thinking, clapping, and then giving the answer. If it is wrong, that 1 point goes to the other participant. All right? Okay. So
Okay.
I don't know if Pradyut's silence today will help him or not, depending on how correct or wrong Ramya's answers are today.
Silence is golden.
Yeah,
Not
let's see
silver.
let's see if it turns golden today.
But for that, you have to answer correctly.
If she answers correctly, gone only.
Correct.
Okay, all right. So let's start off with the quiz then. All right, ready, guys? Okay, so let's begin. The first one's here. Okay, make hay.
While the sun,
While the
while
sun
the sun
shines.
shines.
You have to clap, Ramya. He clapped. He got it. Yes.
See, he
Okay.
made hay while my sun was shining.
See, so he's making hay while the sun was shining here.
I know.
All right, okay. So it's this simple. All right, let's go to the second one. Ready? Okay. Honesty is.
The best policy.
Yes. Okay, Ramya is faster. Okay. Next. Ready? Next one, guys. Actions speak.
Louder than words.
Yeah, your actions are genuinely louder than the word. The clap is coming whether we know or not. But don't forget, wrong answer will give him the point. All right. Okay, let's go to the next one. So, actions speak louder than words is basically that what you do is more important than what you say. That's what it means. All right. Okay, let's go to the next one. Practice.
Makes a man perfect.
Okay, he gave a mix of man for
Started the answer
Yes.
before clapping.
No, I clapped.
He did clap and yes, he did clap and then gave the answer. So yes, practice makes a man perfect. Okay, so we have a perfect man here. Let's see. See, the wife is laughing as soon as I said perfect. All right, let's go to the next one. Don't judge.
A book by its cover.
Yes, it is. All right. Yes. So basically, this one means before making assumptions about someone or something, don't go just by the appearance. That's what
Correct.
this one means. All right. So don't judge a book by its cover. All right. Let's go to the next one. The early bird.
Catches the worm.
Ooh, nice. Okay, I'm thinking that this one will require a little bit of thought. Okay, so the early bird, those who are prompt, take immediate action, are always more likely to succeed. That's what this one means. The early bird catches the worm. Okay, next one. Okay, not about India though. Next one is Rome wasn't.
Built in a day.
Oh, she is on fire, Pradyut.
आग लगा दी
You have to be faster. Okay, so when they say Rome wasn't built in a day, it means
Means it takes time and effort for something to come out well.
exactly. So there's no instant gratification for anything.
Don't ask the meanings of
requires-
others, okay?
No, I am going to come up with more ones and I'm going to say bonus for this one.
Oh.
So you might just get a bonus point, Pradyut.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's
ready? Yeah. Okay. Next one. Better late.
Then never.
He got it.
It
This
was
time.
early. Better late than
Better
never.
late than never.
No, the point is to clap first.
This
Whoever
time
gets the
only.
clap.
Yeah. So then we have to be like, ready. Before I finish, her mouth is closed. Now my clap on. It should be like that. All right. Next one. Okay. Next one is every cloud has.
A silver lining.
Ooh, nice. Okay. Okay. No, I won't give you a bonus point for the meaning of this one. Because I know you know it's okay. Excuse my throat, I've been having a bad one. Okay. So in this one, it means even in difficult times, there's a positive aspect to look at it. All right. Okay. So every cloud has a silver lining. All right. The next one. Very easy. The grass is always.
Greener on the other side.
Yeah. It was like he was just ready. The grass was
No, it was the clap is what is important now.
Right. Okay. So yeah. So the grass is always greener on the other side means that when you see somebody growing or somebody succeeding, you will be like, it's easier for him. It's never easy. When you're on the other side is when you will know the difficulties that the other person is facing. All right. So grass is always greener on the other side. Next one. Learn to walk.
before you fly. No. Learn to walk. Something is there.
Come on, I'll give you 5 seconds to correct it.
Learn to walk
Wow.
before you want to fly.
Okay, no. Do you know the correct one?
No.
Okay.
I don't want to give you the
Anyways,
point.
he's got the point.
I know.
See, I'm not going to try and give 1-1 to him back. Okay, so you were, before you fly, was a little ahead. You have to come down. It's a learn to walk before you run.
Run.
I thought
okay.
it was the answer, but I thought I'll get it
Ah,
right.
Yes, okay. So Pradyut gave this one to Ramya, and Ramya gets the point over here. All right, let's go into the next one. Okay, all that glitters,
It's not gold.
yeah, is not gold. With the gold prices soaring high, everything that glitters is gold right now. All right, okay. So although that's not the meaning for this one is don't be fooled by appearances. Okay, so they might not be what they look like. Okay, so right, all that glitters is not gold. Ready? Okay. Don't cry over.
Spilt milk.
Okay, so there is a joke behind this. Just before we started the video, okay, Ramya told him, okay, you have to give the answers, don't give the wrong ones, because then you will not have time to cry over spilt milk. She already had the answer for this one, and good that you told her. I was thinking, yo, Pradyut is going to say this one. Okay, so don't cry over spilt milk is no point crying on the mistakes that have already happened. Alright, next one. Very, very easy. An apple a day.
Keeps the doctor away. Who?
Yeah.
I clap. No?
Yeah. You told the answer, then you're asking who I clapped her. Yes, it is. Keeps the doctor away. You know, we used to have a funny thing in school where we used to say an apple a day keeps the doctor away. And there was an extension which said, if the doctor is handsome, throw the apple away. I don't know how many of you guys are following this. It was just for fun that we used to say that. And we were in school then, yeah. And that was the 90s. So it's okay. Okay, last one. Out of sight.
Out of mind.
All right, out of
You clap
sight
first.
is yeah, she did.
Okay.
She did. Out of sight is out of mind. True. So if you are out of sight, you potentially go out of mind. All right. So now we've arrived at the bonus question. 2 points for this one, and if it is wrong, you give the other person 2 points. All right. So the same rule applies here. All
Okay.
right, guys, ready? Bonus question is this. A stitch in.
Time saves 9.
Wow! Yes! Pradyut was.
I hope he didn't get 9 points now.
No, I clapped. Luckily, I clapped.
He clapped, he gave the answer correctly. So, yes, the points are his. So, basically, a stitch in time saves 9 means. Okay, if one of you can give me the meaning, I'll give you 1 bonus point for that. Meaning of the proverb. A stitch in time saves 9.
When you, like, prevention is better than cure, something like that.
Okay.
Or if you at least take the necessary action, you don't have to suffer later.
Okay, I'll give you that one. She also gave another proverb where, you know, for the proverb's meaning, but then yes, that is there. So I'll give you 1 point for that, Ramya. Not bad. All right. Okay. So before I announce the winner for today's quiz, here's the viewer's question for you guys. All right. So complete the proverb. Leave your answer in the comments. Okay. This one's really easy. Where there's a will. I know you know it, but I think after the class, we should be the first one to leave the answer in the comments. I was like, okay. So, yeah, guys, where there's a will, complete the proverb, leave your answer in the comments. And if you are right, you might just stand a chance to be the random winner for a surprise gift from All in a Game. All right, it's now time to announce the winner for the quiz today. And the winner for today's quiz is Ramya! Yay! Claps all the way through the episode. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed today's quiz and also learned a few set of proverbs through the quiz that we did today. So if you guys really enjoyed it, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and stay updated on all our latest quiz videos. Until then, we'll see you all soon. Bye.
Bye.